Hi there. Ready to explore? Elena splashes joyfully in the puddles. Water sprays up, catching the sunlight. Each splash makes her giggle and smile. Elena imagines where puddles go after disappearing. She wonders if they fly to the clouds or hide from the sun. Elena explores the forest, searching for puddles. She listens to the rustling leaves and the soft chirping of birds. Elena discovers a hidden sandy spot with tiny puddles. They shimmer like jewels, reflecting the bright afternoon sun. Elena snuggles up, thinking about puddles and sunshine. Warmth surrounds her like a cozy blanket, making her heart smile. Elena dreams of magical puddles and sunny hugs. Soft waves of happiness wash over her as she sleeps peacefully. Elena whispers goodnight to her puddle friends. The room is quiet, filled with dreams of splashes and sunny days. See you soon.
Thank you very much.